Are you looking to use Unicode for nonprofit fundraising but unsure how? This quick guide will walk you through how to effectively use Unicode to raise funds for your nonprofit, and we'll also cover some alternatives that might suit your needs even better, so make sure you stick around until the end for some exclusive offers. Let's dive in. First, Unicode is a platform that provides tools for nonprofit organizations to streamline and improve their fundraising efforts. The core feature of Unicode is its ability to help you create customized donation pages with ease. It simplifies the process of setting up donation forms, integrating payment gateways, and managing donor information, all in one place. Next thing, Unicode gives you access to detailed analytics. You can track donor behavior, giving trends, and campaign performance, allowing you to adjust your strategy and maximize fundraising efforts. If you're looking to know exactly where your donations are coming from and how your campaigns are performing, Unicode provides insights you can act on. The third thing to note is its CRM capabilities. Unicode lets you manage donor relationships effectively by allowing you to organize and communicate with your donors more efficiently. This helps you build and nurture relationships, making it easier to keep supporters engaged and loyal over time. Now, let's talk about one of the challenges. Unicode isn't always the easiest platform for beginners. While it's designed for nonprofits, some users report that it takes a little while to get the hang of the dashboard and features. You might spend some time learning how to fully utilize the platform. Next thing, the pricing. Unicode offers several pricing plans, but they can be a bit on the higher side when you scale your operations. This could be a concern for smaller nonprofits looking to maximize their budget, as the platform's fees can add up quickly. The fourth thing to consider is the integration with other tools. While Unicode offers several integrations, it might not be as seamless as you'd like, especially if you're already using certain software for email marketing or social media management. Some users have mentioned that syncing can be a little clunky, which might slow down your workflow. So, how does it stack up against competitors? While Unicode has its strengths, it's not the only game in town. There are other platforms out there that offer similar features, sometimes at a lower cost or with a smoother user experience. Keep watching, because I'll talk about some of these alternatives in a minute. Before we get into that, here's a quick reminder. I've got a special exclusive offer for you. By using our link, you can get an extended free trial to Unicode, along with some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. This offer will give you the chance to try the platform for yourself and see if it's right for your fundraising goals. But here's the twist. As mentioned, while Unicode is a solid option, there are alternatives that might be better for your specific nonprofit needs. These alternatives often come with lower fees, more intuitive interfaces, and integrations that work seamlessly with other tools you may already be using. They also have free trials, so you can test them out risk-free. To get access to the best free trials and benefits, simply use our link in the description. Not only will you get the most out of Unicode, but you'll also discover other powerful tools that could help you take your nonprofit fundraising to the next level. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your fundraising efforts.